Sometimes you are the biggest reason your life is not moving forward the way it's supposed to be. I hope you guys had heard the theory, let go theory. I'm not gonna explain the same stuff, it's all over on social media. I just want to say something that you are the one who is holding back so much. You are the one who is pulling strings so much that you think that those things will come back to the normal. But the real reason is it's not going anywhere. You are still stuck with those things the way it used to be, and you are far worse than it's supposed to be at the beginning. The reason for it is that it's supposed to be move forward, but you are separate from those things quite earlier, but you are blindfolded so much with the comfort that you don't realize that you are separating with your new reality, and you are separated from those things so much earlier before you can realize. And you are one who is surrounded by comfort, and you want things the way it used to be, and you don't want to enter in new reality, so you just pulling back those strings and hurting your hands, your emotions, and putting yourself in the position that the old stuff can't be get away from you, and you can't let new stuff enter in your life as well. You need to make space. You need to give space to new stuff to let come in your life. You need new things, new feeling, new hobbies, new person, new friendship. It's okay if everything you have been taught from till now can be vanished the moment you realize that I don't longer need those things anymore. It can be that you wake up tomorrow and you decided to evaluate your old friendship and all the relationships you have in your life, and it can be possible that you realize that you are the only person who is just holding on those things, and you are the only person who is letting those things working on. If you stop working on those relationships, those friendships, those values and morals of those relationships, that will be completely over, and that's okay for it. If you are the only one who is pulling string to let this thing to be keep working on it, then let go. Life will reward you with the efforts you have put in those old relationships, old friendship, everything that you are keep holding till now and hurting